Good evening, madam.
Good evening, madam.
So today we are going to start our session, and before we do that, I'll call out the register. Jessica Chemutai,
Present.
Elena Diambo,
Present.
Judith Biwot,
Present.
Fidelity Chepkirui,
Present.
and Ronald.
Present, madam.
Thank you. So today we are going to talk about construction plans and equipment. Our subject, this being our first session, we'll be introducing the subject. So I'm going to share my screen so that you can be able to see my screen. So I'm about to share. If you are able to see my screen, kindly raise up your hand. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. So in our class today, we are going to learn about the construction plans and equipments. And when you see the second slide, it describes what construction plans and equipment is as a subject. So I'll ask Chemutai to describe what construction plans and equipment is as a subject.
Construction plant and equipment is a subject that deals with operating, using, and maintaining building and civil construction machinery and plant. It also addresses health and safety regulations related to the use of various machines. The selection of appropriate type and size of equipment affects the amount of time and effort, thus job site productivity of projects.
So these plants or equipments, these are machinery. They are used in like excavating, like the backactors. I hope you have come across the backactors in the field. Yes. So about that, the use in our first slide up there, the use of new equipments and innovative methods, it has improved possible wholesale changes in construction technology. So it reduces time and input productivity. So we can't use the our hands or manually. So that's why the machineries are there, the plans, so that it makes work easier for us and saves on time. So we are going to look at the reasons or benefits of using construction plans. And Kelly Nadiambo, you, you'll read us the benefits of using these kinds of construction plans.
Okay,
Go on.
madam.
Yes.
Number one, it is better quality work. Number two, increase the rates of output through work progress with the best effective and efficient methods. High work outputs. The third one is reduced overall construction costs, especially for large contracts. The fourth one is carry out activities which cannot be done manually to do them more economically and much faster. The fifth one is eliminate the heavy manual work by humans, thus reducing fatigue and eliminating various other hazards and health issues. The sixth one is maintaining the planned rate of production where there is a shortage of skilled or unskilled labor.
Yes, thank you, Kelly. So In our third point is it reduces overall construction cost, especially for large contracts. In large contracts, we can't use manual work because it will cost us. So we can hire the machinery so that it quickens the work and thus it saves costs. Carry out activities which cannot be done manually. There are activities in the site that can't be done manually, and so the plants and equipment are required so that it does the work faster and it saves time and also economically. Are we together, class?
Yes, madam.
Yes, thank you. And then in a point, it maintains the high quality standard often reduced by present day design and specification. Yes, so we'll go to factors affecting selection of construction equipments and plants. These are the factors that affect selection of construction equipment and plants. Are we okay up to there?
Yes, madam.
So, Judith, be what? You'll state the factors affecting selection of construction equipment and plants. It's on our last slide. You can start setting.
Eliminates the heavy manual work by human, thus reducing fatigue and eliminates various other hazards and health issues, such as owning cost, operation, labor cost, and operating fuel cost of equipment are most important in selection of equipment. Besides the resale value, the replacement cost of existing equipment and the salvage value associated with the equipment are also important.
Yes, thank you. Be what? So the economic consideration, this is one of the factors that affect selection of construction plans, such as the owning cost, operating labor cost, and operating fuel cost. So in the owning cost or the operating cost, if we select the plans, we should consider